Welcome to ReadyMax. Today we're going to share with you the proper way to enjoy our ReadyMax PlugsPockets retractors for safety vests with PermaPlug earplugs that have a noise reduction rating of 27 decibels. ReadyMax PlugsPocket retractors allow you to add hearing protection earplugs to your safety vest or hard hat. ReadyMax PlugsPockets installation is instant. Simply peel and stick the 3M adhesive tape to attach your plug pockets to your vest. The retractors keep your earplugs tethered and on board at all times, while the pockets keep your plugs clean and dry while they're retracted and stowed. The pockets themselves are reflective, making them an ideal addition to your safety vest, and durable enough to last through the lifetime of your existing gear. The retractors in PlugsPockets operate with a simple but clever push-button mechanism. Each earplug is attached to a retractor via a tether that can extend up to 15 inches. When extended, the tether positively locks, keeping your earplugs safely and comfortably where you want them. The tethers are long enough to ensure that you can move and rotate your head freely. When you finish with your hearing protection, simply hit the retractor push button and a strong, coiled spring will pull the tether in, tugging the plug safely back in to the protected PlugsPockets. Thank you for joining us. And to learn more about our ReadyMax products, visit ReadyMax.com.